Evening update dyan, Gutierrez and Mr. Jericho Rosales dinner last night at the Wolfgang Steakhouse kasama ang Quezon cast. Happy Sunday! Alright, so guys, welcome back po muli sa aking YouTube channel. So for today's update, good morning guys, good morning Ikunin, Janine Gutierrez and Mr. Jericho Rosales kaganapan last night, dinner kasama ang Quezon cast and of course Quezon staff. So ayan po ang kaganapan ng Ikunin kasama ang Quezon cast, sila ni Miss Karel, si Game of Thrones actor si Sermon, and of course incomplete po sila dyan guys kasi yung iba busy din kasi nga Sunday kahapon guys, family bonding. So ayan po ang kaganapan nila. Wolfgang Dinner Steakhouse. Ito nga binahagi ni Sir Vince guys. Ayan, so many stories from tonight we'll share soon. Wolfgang Steakhouse. So ayan po ang kanilang dinner with team Quezon. Samantala Game of Thrones actor Sir Lane binahagi naman ang kanilang shooting. Ayan, shooting a film #Quezon in the Philippines, playing their last governor General Leonard Wood as the country sought independence from American rule. Really wonderful cast and crew. What an adventure. More to follow. At napakomment nga si Eiko, si Benjamin Alves, and of course si Sermon. Ito nga binahagi ni Sermon Confiado. Ayan, honored and privileged, you are an amazing actor. Benjamin Alves, an honor sir. Ayan si Eiko, cheers to more. Samantala Janine Gutierrez update. Another shoot done. So ito ang kanyang binahagi kahapon guys, I mean kagabi. So ayan, wrap another super exciting shoot today. Correct me if I'm wrong guys, parang 3 shoot na ata ang ibinahagi ni Janine Gutierrez na natapos na niya. Nung una is yung sabay sila na Eiko. Well, di ko lang sure kung sabay ba talaga sila or magkaiba sila, nagkasabayan lang ng oras, ganon. Well, abangan natin yun. Then next naman is yung sa Navia. Then kahapon nga ito ang kanyang binahagi. So lang guys, abangan natin ang mga shoot na kaganapan ng Eiko din kasi may sinut din si Eiko. Abangan. So lang guys, ingat, love lots, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.